I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Working on the bathroom door still. I've got the track hung, and I've got the door drilled for the hangers. I'm ready to bolt the hangers on, but when I went to put the hangers on, I got the bolts out of the box, and they're this style. This hex head is going to stick up from the surface of the door by the thickness of that head. That's too much. So I decided to go with carriage bolts. Now the carriage bolt is thinner, but still not as thin as I wanted. So I'm going to modify this carriage bolt by turning off the head and make it just a little flat dish there. Doesn't need to have a whole lot of strength. This is shear. It's not going to be pulling a whole lot sideways. It's not going to be trying to pull the head through the door. So I'm just going to plane off the top of that carriage bolt and turn it into a little flat dome. Should work pretty well. I've got 4 of them to do, so it's going to take me a little while. First thing I did was put a couple of nuts on the shank of the bolt. Then I can use these as a collet to grip it in the jaws of the chuck, and it won't damage the threads. Now we can see the difference. This one is much flatter than this one, and it's a lot flatter than the one that I originally had. So this is going to work really well. 3 more to go. I just have to pull the nuts off the shaft, and I'm ready to go. A little rough on this woodworking vise, but since I've got the other woodworking vise on the bench, I don't use this one for doing wood much anymore. So I pretty much use it as a set of soft jaws. Well, that's a quick way to make a set of specialized hardware. Could have fit exactly the way I want it to. And came pretty cheap too. $1.60 for the bolts. Half hour's time on the lathe. And I want to let you guys know the subscriber view count is up to a full 19% now. You've been doing great. Thanks a lot. I'm still putting out a video a day, Monday through Friday, 12 noon, Saturday and Sunday, 9 a.m. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. I want to see you here tomorrow. Thanks for watching.